So go ahead and take your Phillips screwdriver and just unscrew the two thumb screws here that has your graphics card in place. And it helps to have a magnetic screwdriver, so you can just lift these screws right out of here, just like so. So that's one. Then go ahead and do it with the other one. All right, so those two are out. Then all you have to do is just unplug the two PCI Express power connectors. So there is a little, as you can see right here, there is a little release notch. You just push that in towards you and then hold it with your thumb. And then you can go ahead and just touch any sort of plastic part of the graphics card just to have some force. And then one of them comes out. Just go ahead and repeat the process once again. And just like that. Now here is the trick, especially if you got a case like mine that doesn't have a lot of space. You'll see right in between the air cooler and the graphics card, right in the middle here, it's your graphics card release notch. So if you have big fingers like mine, you can't reach them. So go ahead and get your screwdriver. And then all you have to do is just locate the notch here. Just don't apply a whole lot of force to break it, but you can rest your screwdriver against the release notch, push it away that way, just that way. Push it away to release it. And then all you have to do, again, just look for the plastic areas of your graphics card, and then you could just easily take it out without any issues. So, oh, looks like it's still in. It looks like I didn't get it good enough. Let's go ahead and do it once again. There you go. Now I heard the click. Now all we got to do, stick it out just like that. And that's how you do it.